Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad runs a modern iPad OS and has room for extra pages. This matters because older OS features differ. Next, long press an app icon or an empty area until icons jiggle. This is jiggle mode, which lets you move apps and create pages. Once done, drag an app to the right edge of the screen to spawn a new home screen page. Make sure to pause at the edge so iPad creates the page. This step establishes the new workspace you'll populate. Now organize the new page by grouping apps and adding widgets so each screen serves a purpose. Drag one app onto another to make a folder, name it clearly, and drop related apps inside. This reduces clutter and speeds access. Then tap the plus icon to add widgets. Choose sizes that match the page layout and balance information versus space. Once arranged, use App Library to remove pages from view if you don't need them visible, rather than uninstalling apps, which preserves setup. Finish by pressing Done or tapping the home area to exit jiggle mode. This locks your layout so swipes switch pages smoothly. Once done, test swiping left and right to confirm each screen contains the apps and widgets you intended. If you prefer a different order, use Edit Pages, long press Dock or pinch gesture to reorder or hide pages. If a page disappears unexpectedly, restart the iPad and check Settings home screen options. That usually resolves visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.